Let us go with next one. That is question number 13. The IUPAC name for tertiary butyl iodide is. So let us write the structure of it. So this is the structure of tertiary butyl iodide. So this tertiary butyl iodide, when I give the longest chain numbering, 3 is the longest chain. So this can be named as 2-iodo, 2-methyl propane is the IUPAC name, which is given by the option B, that is 2-iodo, 2-methyl propane. Next one, question number 14. When it comes to question number 14, mesomeric effect involves delocalization of. So one concept should be known here when it comes to mesomeric effect, or this mesomeric effect can also be called as resonance effect. The mesomeric effect or resonance effect takes place by the delocalization of pi electrons, which is given by the option C. Next one, 15th one. Which of the following species does not exert a resonance effect? So here, when we go through with the first option, that is phenol. So in phenol, there is an existence of lone pair of electrons. This can show resonance effect. Next one, chlorobenzene. So in chlorobenzene, the chloro group consists of lone pair of electron. This can also show resonance effect. When it comes to aniline, that is C6H5NH2, where nitrogen has one set of lone pair of electron, which can also show resonance effect. But when it comes to the next structure, that is C6H5NH3 plus, this is known as anilinium ion. So this anilinium ion cannot show resonance effect. This is known as anilinium ion, which is given by option D, that will not show the resonance effect, because when aniline, that is C6H5NH2, when aniline combines with a proton, the lone pair of electron present on nitrogen takes away the proton to form an ion called as an anilinium ion, which is given by the option D, that will not show resonance effect. Next one, question number 16. The chemical name of anisole is. So one should know the formula for anisole. Anisole is given by the formula C6H5OCH3. So this anisole is also called as methoxybenzene, and this methoxybenzene is given by the option D. Next one, question number 17. The IUPAC name of, so they have given a structure and they are asking us to write the IUPAC name, that is CH3 thrice CCl. So let us give the longest chain. 3 is the longest chain. At second position, there is an existence of chloro as well as methyl. According to alphabetical representation, chloro comes first. I can write it as 2-chloro, 2-methyl propane is the IUPAC name of the organic compound, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 18. So when it comes to question number 18, it has been given that in Zeldal's method, ammonia from 5 grams. Ammonia from 5 grams means the weight of the substance is how much? It is 5 grams of food neutralizes 30 cm cube. Here 30 cm cube represents what? It is volume. Volume is nothing but 30 cm cube of 0.1 normal acid. 0.1 normal acid means it is normality. Normality of an acid is 0.1 molar. The percentage of nitrogen in the food is. So here they are asking to calculate the percentage of nitrogen. We know that percentage of nitrogen is given by the formula 1.4 into normality of acid into volume of ammonia. Normality of acid into volume of ammonia used divided by weight of organic compound. On substituting all the values, that is 1.4 into normality of acid is how much? 0.1 normal, normality of acid is 0.1 normal into volume of ammonia used is 30 cm cube divided by weight of the organic compound is how much? It is 5. Therefore, when we simplify this, it comes out to be 0.84 percentage, which is given by the option A.